How to choosing the right air conditioner, AC, for your home. Choosing the right air conditioner, AC, for your needs can be overwhelming, but considering these essential factors will help you make an informed decision. 1. Room size and cooling capacity. Measure the area of the room you want to cool in square feet. ACs are sized by BTUs, British thermal units, which indicate their cooling power. Higher BTUs cool larger spaces. A general rule is up to 150 square feet, 5,000 to 6,000 BTUs. 150 to 250 SQ feet, 6,000 to 8,000 BTUs. 250 to 350 SQ feet, 8,000 to 12,000 BTUs. 350 to 450 SQ feet, 12,000 to 14,000 BTUs. Larger areas, consult an HVAC professional for proper sizing. 2. Energy efficiency. Look for ACs with a high star rating, in regions where applicable, or seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER, rating. These indicate lower energy consumption and electricity bills. Inverter ACs are generally more energy efficient than traditional models. 3. AC type. Window ACs, affordable, easy to install, but noisy and block windows. Split ACs, quieter, more efficient, and better for larger spaces, but require professional installation. They consist of 2 units, an indoor unit and an outdoor condenser unit. Portable ACs don't require permanent installation, but less powerful and noisier than other options. Central ACs cool the entire home efficiently but are expensive to install and maintain. 4. Additional features. Noise level. Consider noise levels, especially for bedrooms. Smart features. Some ACs offer Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control and scheduling. Air filtration. Consider models with built-in air purifiers for improved indoor air quality. Conclusion. By considering these factors, you'll be well on your way to choosing the perfect AC for your needs and budget. Remember, consulting with an HVAC professional can be especially helpful if you have a complex cooling requirement or a large area to cool.